Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What is the topic? Today, we're going to talk about economic batch quantity or EBQ. It's a powerful tool in production planning that helps businesses optimize their production runs to minimize costs. Let's break down the key factors, importance, and underlying assumptions of EBQ. First, we're going to talk about the factors determining EBQ. 1. Demand rate. This refers to the rate at which the product is demanded by customers. A higher demand rate might necessitate larger batch sizes to meet customer needs. 2. Production rate. The rate at which the product can be produced. A higher production rate can allow for larger batch sizes without significantly impacting inventory holding costs. 3. Setup cost. This is the fixed cost incurred to initiate a production run, such as setting up machinery, training workers, and preparing raw materials. Higher setup costs encourage larger batch sizes to spread the cost over more units. 4. Holding cost. This is the cost associated with storing inventory, including storage space, insurance, and potential obsolescence. Higher holding costs incentivize smaller batch sizes to reduce inventory levels. Next, let's discuss why EBQ is important. 1. Cost minimization. By determining the optimal batch size, businesses can minimize both setup and holding costs. 2. Inventory optimization. EBQ helps maintain the right level of inventory, preventing stockouts or excessive inventory buildup. 3. Production efficiency. By optimizing production schedules, EBQ ensures smooth production operations and avoids unnecessary production interruptions. Finally, let's discuss the underlying assumptions of EBQ. 1. Constant demand rate. The demand for the product should remain stable over time. 2. Constant production rate. The production rate should remain consistent throughout the production process. 3. Constant setup cost. The setup cost should be fixed for each production run. 4. Constant holding cost. The holding cost per unit of time should remain constant. 5. Instantaneous production. It is assumed that production occurs instantaneously without any lead time. That's all for today, guys. Please like and share this video to your friends. Let's again meet in our next video. Have a good day.